Top of the day, y'all. It's a beautiful day. As y'all can see, I got the house behind me. You know, I'm a little late today. I had came over here to start checking on them with this roof, but I got my other house I'm about to start renting out. And so I went over there and met with the contractor and just trying to take care of a few things to get it up and rent ready. Had to put a little more TLC into it, you know what I'm saying? I never put as much work into my rentals as I do my flips, but definitely gonna put a little bit more work than what's already in there. As you can see, these guys getting this damn roof together. What's up, fellas? Yeah, we getting it together over here. Get ready to put that new roof on. Aside from that, I should have some plywood left over and maybe some shingles too to return to get some of that money back. I spent about $5,500 at Home Depot on all that stuff. So over at this house today, the bathroom should be completely finished. Tomorrow, wait, hold on. What else I got over here? I'm trying to do this side of the roof, stop the leak, and we also gonna get the drywall patched up and stuff. And then Colin gonna start tomorrow with the mudding and taping and stuff. You know what I'm saying? To get a nice finish. You know, trying to get my boy Steven back over here to come put them barn doors on for me. You know what I'm saying? For this garage, it's gonna be some, you feel me? No work ain't been done in here since last night. You know, we was here last night. Last one's here, first one. Last one's to leave, first one's to come in. Feel me? So ain't no work been done really since. I need to have somebody honestly come clean up for real. But that won't be right now. It'll be sometime later. I need the shop vac from over here because I'm doing the floors that I'm gonna hook up I rented the sander from Home Depot. I'm gonna hook up the shop vac directly to that so that it doesn't mess up. So that the dust goes directly into the shop vac and not all over the house. All right. Again, this is the bathroom. Door painted. Oh, still got some more spots to hit. Good mirror. Nice level joint. You know what I'm saying? Looking good over here, man. Yeah, gotta get working on the other house. I came here, like I said, to get this shot back. So I tap in with Child when I come back over here later and a little more get done. That whole side of the roof hopefully should be done by tomorrow. And that's all she wrote, fellas. Don't leave the vlog, man. Still got more to show y'all, you heard? Yeah, that's going stupid right now. You see it, right? Yeah. Yup. Chuck, say hi. That's my son. Get all the cedar off there. Come on, son, bro. Where Corey at? What's your dirty? Dirty. That boy dirty. Little dusty. It's the work site, y'all. Getting it done. Contact. What's the contact? I got you, bro. DM me. I'll send it to you. Everybody be cool until it's time to pay that rent. And everybody got attitudes and all. I ain't got time for that shit, man. Pay your rent. For real, for real. We not doing that. I promise you. Respect the word that you do. I appreciate you, Tina. Thank you so much. I'm about to change the light fixture out. Show y'all how to do it. It's real simple and easy. I'm gonna do it with the power on too. That's a little more challenging. Thank you for the stars, man. I appreciate you. That's love, for real. I'm about to change this light fixture out. All right. It's real simple, real simple. Watch how much it changed the house too. Gonna change the house by wow, watch. Let's see. Take these screws out. You know? Okay. So, alright. So what I'm gonna do. Cuz, what up, boy? Oh, they sending stars, all type of shit. Appreciate you. This on the east side. That's right. Yes, ma'am. Thanks for the stars, man, for real. This on the east side. This by like Goodman Plaza. I gotta get a ladder. I'm gonna bring y'all downstairs with me to get a ladder. Hold on. So I can get the pieces.
Well, we gotta find the right sizes.
That's fine. I know where to get them from. Get them right from right up the street. It's like 3 minutes away. Boom. This is my light. Feel me? The power off, right? Let me check. Double check. Yep, it ain't cutting on. It's off, right? So now you pull the white out. Pull the black out. Oop. There it is. Old light out, simple. New light. Man, hold on, it breaks. I'm gonna try to look at the comments when I'm done. Keep dropping the comments. I'm gonna look at them when I'm done. I love these lights. I use these in damn near all the houses. These are perfect. Nice, easy, keep the room real bright. You get to what the hell? You can tell the difference. You kind of could tell the difference as soon as you put the light up. You feel me? Oh, yeah, this is it. Got this little pin right here, see? Boom. Take this out. Put your bracket up. You got mountain hardwood right here. Hardware right here, know that. And yo, I got that $2 house under contract too, y'all. Don't forget that. Alright, so. Okay. I'll put this. Oh, I gotta take that mountain bracket off just for a different light. Again, y'all see me turn the power off. Don't do this with the power on if you don't know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing just a little bit, all right? So even I turn the power off. Don't be Superman. Put that mountain bracket on. There we go. like renting to friends and all that, any of that, it's quiet. Slow for that. So now, since that's up there, it's a bracket ledge right here. You just hang that on it, so now you could hook your electric up, all right? So boom. Now put the black with the black, the white with the white. That's good. All right, now you put that inside the box that comes with it. Put the light up. Now that pin, you put that pin back in. This shit right here, somebody charged about $75. Some people charge you $100. If you slow and they think they're gonna get you, they'll tax you for this light. Look, that light up already. Now watch how I put the little mountain bracket. So I'm gonna show y'all my rationale too. So they got the black ones, but this one is like bronze. So I got it because I like black, but the bronze actually hits off of the trim, the gumwood that's in the house. Tighten this up. Why is it not? Let me see. I'm gonna go daylight. What's up, bro?
I'm gonna bring these other ones down.
What, the carpets?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put the that room in there for now. And then I'll make that the last room I do.
Which one?
That one in there.
Okay.
You feel me?
Damn. Much easier than it looked, y'all. My fault. You know, you try to do some shit while everybody looking, you can't do it. Yeah, I don't know why this not. Arms hurt. I did. Arms just pain. What the golly? These broke too. Let me see. Damn. I don't know what's going on, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie. Take this off. I'm gonna try to tighten that bracket up. Oh, the bracket too tight in the ceiling. That's why. Okay. That should work. Well, that's another thing to learn. Don't put the bracket too tight in the ceiling. Because then I guess that messes the light. My arm's clean. There she go. Bracket was too tight. Got it. My fault, y'all. Hey yo, so what I'm over here doing right now is getting my rental ready. In the midst of that, I'm kind of like coinciding things because I got hardwood floors over here that I'm gonna refinish and get all the way together. And at the other flip, at the flip, I'm doing hardwood floors. So I got the guy here right now, sanding these just to see what he could do for at this house. And then I'm gonna use him for the next one. You know what I'm saying? See if he could do the flip.